What's up, guys? I know it's been a while that I haven't posted, but I recently got a carbon fiber steering wheel, as you guys can see. I'm gonna install it right now with my brother. But first thing first, you gotta let me show you real quick. You gotta disconnect the battery and pretty much just wait like for 15 minutes or 10 minutes and then continue. So yeah, we pretty much already waited the 15 minutes. But first thing first, you gotta take out this clip right here on both sides. You guys can see it goes right here. Take it off. You can use a flathead or anything, but make sure you don't lose it. And from there, you're gonna stick a flathead through the hole right here. There's gonna be a little clip that you gotta pull, and it's gonna release the airbag. And from there, I'll show you guys in a bit. All right, then, guys. So we already took off the airbag. All you gotta do is just disconnect them, which is 1, 2, and this one right here. Guys, so to take these off, you gotta pull the black things off first with the flathead. Just pull them up, and then easily it's gonna just pull these up. That's one. That's two. You don't have to worry because they're already like color. So after that, you just gotta pretty much disconnect this. Alright then, guys, so we pretty much already took out the steering wheel. All you're gonna need is a 19 to take it off right there. Pretty much it. And from there, you just gotta take this plastic off and pretty much put everything onto the new one, which this one was on here, so I'm just putting it back like it was on the other one, on the OEM. Brother trying to take out the plastic from the back, which you can see there's some clips on it. Alright, guys, so pretty much he already put everything back. All he's doing is trying to connect the airbags to the thing already, the wiring. And then after that, he's gonna tighten it up. Like I said, he's gonna need a 19. And alright then, guys, before you tighten it up with the 19, make sure that lines up. I mean, you guys can see. That means your steering wheel is going to be straight. Remember, you're just going to need a 19 to just pretty much tighten it up. Make sure you push the steering wheel all the way to the back. You're going to like feel it when it's all the way to the back too. It's like going to click. So yeah. So after that, he's gonna tighten it up and pretty much put those the plugs back to the airbag and push it in. That's it. You're done. All right, guys. So this is how it turned out to look. Not bad. It looks way better than the OEM.